we're going to do something called card war. So everybody will have an entire deck of cards. I'm going to show you guys how to play. We're going to work with multiplying positive and negative integers. All right, so if you have a blue or a red dot, I want you to pay attention because I'm going to show you guys how to play card war. So you're going to have an entire, you should be familiar with this. This is just a standard deck of cards. We have red and black cards. And the red cards today are going to represent negative numbers. The black cards are going to represent positive numbers. So red, negative, black, positive. If you forget, just raise your hand and I'll remind you. You're going to get with a partner, hopefully somebody right next to you or across from you. And you guys are going to each have about half the deck of cards. And each of you are going to flip a card over and you're going to multiply the two numbers together. So if black is positive, this would be a positive 4 times a positive 4. The first person in the pair to answer the problem correctly gets to have both cards. What happens when we have a jack or a queen or a king or an ace? For jacks, we're going to count them as 11s. For queens, they're going to be 12s.
You write that on the board?
For kings, they're going to be 13s, I can. And then for aces, those are going to count as 1s. At the end, I'd like a Johnny to collect all the cards.
3 students will participate in the concrete stage of the Concrete Representational Abstract, or CRA, instructional sequence. 1 student has an IEP goal that addresses this need area, and 2 students were identified from formative assessment during the previous day's instruction as needing to review the concept of one-step equations at the concrete stage.
During this stage of instruction, I am reviewing with the students the process of modeling one-step equations using concrete manipulatives. We are using an equation mat, marbles to represent the variable, and color blocks to represent the integers. The yellow and green blocks represent positive integers, and the orange and red blocks represent negative integers. I guided the students through the process of solving each step of the equation while they applied critical thinking skills to explain their mathematical reasoning. Our main objective is this additional one.
Alright, so 2 here.
So we need to take
There's also an odd number
now we just have to do
just leave those in the box. You guys can go ahead and get started.
Now what we're going to do is a negative and a positive. After students have demonstrated an understanding of the concept, they were asked to create their own equation mat on the table with a dry erase marker. Students were provided with the equation a minus 2 equals 3 to model, solve, and discuss. During the process, they worked collaboratively as well as independently. So we're going to pick a variable. Let's use the one that we don't know. Right, that's a variable. That's what we're going to do now. So let's try a minus 2. Equals 3.
Miss Gray.
So,
Miss Gray, are we multiplying or adding?
now,
Multiplying. Don't forget that reds are negative
minus 2. So what type of
and blacks are positive.
blocks do you need for minus 2? Right.
But then when you do everything, then you do it.
If you guys forget what their value is, it's on the board.
Variable.
13 and 8 is 21.
the other side.
-3.
-3.
Oh,